Trending stocks, we have APPS, ZETA, and DOCN. Okay, so we'll begin with APPS, up roughly 30%. This is Wednesday, the 5th of November, 2025. Intraday high for APPS, $8.28. Okay, underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. Okay, let's see what we have. The stock is trending due to positive sentiment around its potential to capitalize on the changing app store landscape after recent rulings, with trading and investing community members discussing possible revenue boosts and increased valuations. Some are pointing towards a potential run to double digits, okay, and short squeezes. Also named as being a top value stock. The company is also being closely watched for its ability to leverage AI and partnerships. Yeah, so the underlying trend is strongly bullish, as indicated earlier on. This trend is expected to remain in place up till Friday, the 7th of November. Then after that, a contraction is expected to play out. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are currently saying 6.87, 7.19, 7.39, but we also know it has 8.28. It printed a few hours ago. That is indeed an upper projection. Okay, so it has actually broken through a cup there. It has a pivot here, a pivotal, if you like, pivotal projections. It has broken through those. Maybe that is why we have this intraday high of $8.28. So, well, the sky is its limits. This is actually printing its maybe probably it's a 52-week high. Let me just quickly have a look. It's probably at its 52-week high. Yeah, it seems it is if it is okay, let's quickly find out if that's a 52-week high. It is a 52-week high. It is a 52-week high for APPS digital turbine. Let's see if I can pull it back. Okay, so all of its moving averages are trending. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago in profit as things stand right now. Okay, so let's see now. What's more can we see? We've seen 8.3, 8.28. Let's just quickly glance at the weekly chart. It may have had more ambitious projections here. Okay, we have here 9.44, 11.60, 19.2, 19.2, 19 point, sorry, 12.93. Okay, the extrapolation on its weekly chart is saying that at least up till Monday the 17th, it may be consolidating this strength that has picked up. This trend has been in place since the summer, as a matter of fact, since the summer, yeah. So yeah, these are, as a matter of fact, 12.93 is a pivotal projection. If it breaks through 12.93, then expect that there's a good chance it may test. Let's see what we have here. It will be, let's see, the highs of around 17.41 and up to 17.83. So 17.83 will be its next target if it breaks through 12.93. So far so good. It has broken through a pivotal resistance at $7 and some fraction and went on to print rejection at 8.23. So, well, let's see. The sky may be the limit for the stock. ZETA. ZETA is up 13.96%. Intraday low yesterday, $16.5. We'll begin with its weekly chart. Okay, doesn't have enough data for any extrapolations, but we could still take projections here. Okay, Projections here are saying 22.55, 26.53, $29. So $29 is its pivotal projection. What are the odds that it will test that? If it does test, if it breaks through that or tests it, then it improves its probability of its attempting to test the highs of 35.58. That's equally a pivotal projection as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at its weekly chart. So daily chart. Okay, underlying trend is neutral. Okay, projections are saying that it may consolidate this expansion up till um, up till the 18th of November. Then after that, it may begin to go distribute. It may go. It may begin. Yeah, it may go to. It may have a distributive contraction. Projections here are saying 16 point. Sorry, 12.01, 13.13, 14.94. Those are downward projections. Previous upper projections were saying up to 21.73, 23.35, 24.36. Okay, so the projections of its 10-day moving average is suggesting that from now maybe momentum may decline. So it may maintain this trend it has, but not with any not with enough momentum. Maybe from the 10th of November, maybe momentum may build up and may remain that way up till the 18th of November. There's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. You know, so pivotal projections a bit different here on this on its weekly on its daily chart. I think our best bet might be the pivotal projections on the weekly chart. It seems more in line with what's going on, right? Yes, yes. So that will be a big test will be $29. Yeah, a big test will be $29. That's quite far away from where it is right now. Quite far away. Yeah, but the trend on the weekly chart is a strong one. Yeah, it has the underlying trend on its weekly chart is strong. Yeah, it's been on a bullish trend since early April. Yeah, just like the broader market. But on its weekly chart, it's stabilizing. Yeah, but of late as well, since the last 1 month, 1 month and some fraction, 1 month and some a month and some weeks, it's just been bearish on the daily chart. So in a very short time, bearish. Long term, medium term, bullish. Short term, bearish. Yeah. Okay. So let's see how it goes. DOCN up 17.54%, intraday high 46.71, intraday low 35.64. It's been a volatile session for DOCN. The line trend is bullish. Let's see what we have for DOCN. Shares rose. Okay, yeah. After this trend is it's largely because of its Q3 earnings of $158.4 million, up from $32.9 million last year. Q4 revenue guidance is $237.5 million. Yeah, that's some positive there. Okay. The strength it has now is expected to remain in place up till Friday the 7th. Then after that, a distributive contraction may play out. The pivotal projections are saying 42.80, 46.28, 48.42. Yeah, yeah, 48.42 seems to be the pivotal projection. If it does test that, then a breakout is possible. A breakout is possible. We'll see what that may be referring to if we have a look at its weekly chart. So here on its based on its 10-day moving average, is saying that yeah, the momentum it has now may remain stable up till Friday. Yeah, so up to Friday, and then After that, the momentum may dissipate, may begin to decay. Maybe that's why it's extrapolating a contraction from from Friday, from Friday, and then is also expecting that it may actually drop below its 10-day moving average by the 18th of November. Yeah. So well, it's not in a very short time strength is expected, but after that, after Friday, maybe contraction may play out. But the stock has been on strong short term trend. Or yeah, it's been in a strong medium term trend. Yeah, who knows if it's time to begin to contract this expansion? Hasn't really done so. Hasn't really done so. Yeah. Well, we'll see how it goes. Let's see. It seems something has popped up again. Like it's still about its earnings. Okay, let's have a look and see where that pivotal 48.42 is probably referring to. Let's go down to its weekly chart and see. Yeah, let's see what this refers to. It has another one here. 40 exactly. Yeah, 48 point. Okay, see what I think this is what it's referring to. Yeah, if you test 48.42, then there's a good chance you may be able to test 48.76. Yeah, that's a critical maybe. Okay, it has it's if it does that, maybe the highs of around the highs of around let's see what we have here. This is 48 point. No, sorry, this is 48.23. If it does test that, then $56 and there or thereabout may be the next target. Yeah, it will be next target 50 between 55.22 and 56.22. Yeah, those will be now be its next target if it does test $48. If it tests it and surpasses it, then 52 to $55 might be the next target. Okay, but the extrapolation is saying that in a very short time, maybe not. Yeah, but it's just a very short time, maybe not. But maybe in the medium term, maybe. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.